In this tutorial, I will show you how to display volume with moving average in Tradingview website. By the end, you'll have the standard volume bars on your chart with a moving average line over them, so you can quickly see volume trends at a glance. First, open your chart. If you're already on Tradingview, make sure a chart is visible and a symbol is loaded. You can use any market or time frame. The process is the same. You should see the main price chart area and, if nothing else is added, an empty lower pane where indicators can appear. Next, click Indicators at the top of the chart. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window. In the search field, type Volume. From the results, select the built-in indicator named Volume. As soon as you click it, you'll see the colored volume bars appear in a separate panel below your price chart. This confirms the volume indicator is active. Now, move to the Volume Indicators panel and click the gear icon, which opens its settings. If you don't see the gear, hover your mouse over the volume label on the left side of the panel until the small toolbar appears. Then click the gear. The settings dialog lets you control how the volume bars and related overlays look. From here, navigate to the Style tab at the top of the settings window. Style controls the visual appearance of the indicator rather than its calculation. This is where the moving average option for volume is located. At this point, check the box labeled Volume MA. As soon as you tick this option, a smooth line appears across the volume bars. That line is the moving average of volume, and it updates automatically as you move through different time frames or symbols. If you don't immediately see the line, make sure the checkbox is enabled and the line color contrasts with your chart background. The change applies instantly, so there's no need to add any other indicator or change chart layouts. Once that's done, glance at the volume panel to confirm everything looks correct. You should see individual volume bars for each candle and a single moving average line running through them. The bars will continue to reflect up or down volume based on your chart's color settings, and the moving average will help smooth out short-term spikes so you can spot sustained increases or decreases in trading activity. If your chart looks crowded, you can simply keep the settings dialog open and verify the Style tab remains selected with Volume MA checked. If your chart looks fine, you can close the settings window by clicking anywhere outside it. The moving average line remains applied to the volume indicator from here on. To recap visually on the screen, your chart is open. Indicators at the top was used to add the built-in volume indicator, the gear icon on the volume panel opened settings, the Style tab was selected, and the Volume MA option was checked. Those are the only actions needed to display volume with a moving average on the Tradingview website. Your volume with moving average is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.